Hello everyone, welcome back to Preyo Phonie, your go-to channel for unlocking hidden iPhone features and maximizing productivity. In this video, I'll show you how to create powerful shortcuts and use back-tap gestures to instantly access your camera, turn on the flashlight, and much more. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Creating a camera shortcut. Front camera quick access. First, let's make a shortcut that launches the front camera instantly. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap Add Shortcut. This starts a brand new custom shortcut. Tap Add Action. Select Apps, then tap Camera. Tap Back. And here you'll see the option to choose Front Camera. This ensures your shortcut always opens the front-facing camera instead of the rear. Tap Done to save your shortcut. Why this is important? Instantly open the camera without unlocking your phone. Great for selfies, video calls, or capturing unexpected moments. Saves several taps every time you want to take a photo. Step 2. Assigning double tap back to camera. Back tap gesture. Now we'll connect this shortcut to the back tap feature, so you can open the camera by simply tapping the back of your iPhone twice. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch. Scroll down and tap back tap. Tap double tap. Scroll through the actions and select Take Photo or the camera shortcut you just created. Pro tip. This allows you to open your camera instantly, even while the phone is lying flat or in your pocket. Perfect for photographers, content creators, or anyone who needs quick access. Step 3. Creating a flashlight shortcut for triple tap. Next, let's make a shortcut to turn on the flashlight instantly. Open the Shortcuts app. Tap Add Shortcut, Add Action, Apps, Flashlight. Set the flashlight action to turn on. Tap Done to save your shortcut. Why this is useful? Access the flashlight without unlocking your iPhone. Ideal in emergencies, dark rooms, or while walking at night. Step 4. Assigning triple tap back to flashlight. Now we'll connect the flashlight shortcut to triple tap. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Back tap. Tap triple tap. Scroll and select the flashlight shortcut you just created. Tap Done. Result. Triple tapping the back of your iPhone will immediately turn on the flashlight. You no longer need to open Control Center or search for the flashlight app. Step 5. Importance and extra tips. Why BackTap is powerful. Acts as a quick access hub for any feature you frequently use. Reduces extra taps, saves time, and improves workflow. Examples of shortcuts you can add. Open Notes app. Start a stopwatch. Launch Maps. Toggle low power mode. Customization. You can use double tap and triple tap differently depending on your daily needs. Combine with automation in shortcuts for even smarter actions, like turning on Wi-Fi when at home. Step 6. Summary. Smooth iPhone automation. After setting this up, double tap back, opens camera instantly. Triple tap back, turns on flashlight instantly. This setup is extremely useful for content creators and vloggers, people who use iPhone in low-light environments, anyone who wants fast access without navigating multiple menus. It's a small tweak that creates big efficiency gains in daily iPhone use. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more hidden iPhone tricks. Comment below which shortcut or backtap feature you plan to use first. Stay smart, stay efficient. See you in the next one.